Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about the filter method, which is a higher order method. So we'll start with the very first one, which is the filter method. Now it allows you to filter the elements present in an array based on some filter criteria. In the previous videos, we'll learn about the find and find index methods to basically find a single element, a single reference value or a parameter value that fits the match that we are targeting. But what if I want to find a bunch of elements that match a certain criteria and get all of them at once? Of course you can do that. So let us see that in this video. I will define a new array and name it as nums. So I'll say const nums and I will define a bunch of numbers here. And I'm interested in getting all those numbers which are basically greater than 5. So this is my filter criteria. So what I want to do is I want to get all the numbers more than 5. So we will define a separate variable just for the sake of brevity, which is called as the filter criteria. I will say const filter criteria. And this will take a callback function. Within the callback function, the find method, the filter method will basically pass a number each time, and we want to check whether that number is greater than 5 or not. If the number is greater than 5, you will preserve that number, otherwise you will reject that number in the final output. As simple as that. So I want to check the number that I am currently at, whether that number is greater than 5 or not. So I will say const. I want to get all the numbers greater than 5. So I will define a variable called as numbers greater than 5, and I will say nums.filter. Just pass the filter criteria, which is a callback function. This callback function will get each element of the array one at a time. So first it will get 1. It will compare whether 1 is greater than 5. No. So reject it. 2 reject, 3 reject, 4 reject, 5 also a rejection, 6, 7, 8 are accepted. When I log this to the console, we should get the desired output. Let us go back to the browser to see the output. And yes, we are getting the correct output. We are getting 6, 7, 8. So this was all about the video on our very first higher order method, which is filter. So if you are loving the content, do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Thanks a lot, guys.